This is Honor 70, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Mozilla Firefox browser on it. So to begin with, you have to connect your device to the Wi-Fi. Next, open the Google Play Store, type in the Firefox query. Once the Internet app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the browser to get downloaded and installed respectively, which as you can see will happen in a matter of, well, a few seconds. Then you can launch it, set up certain preferences such as the preferred theme, toolbar placement, synchronization preferences, and privacy protection, and, well, data access and permission. Once you have everything, chosen as you would like it to be, just go for the start browsing button and that would be it. You can start using the Firefox app. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.